Hello guys, this is Asheesh Kumar. I have total 6 years of teaching experience. I am providing software automation testing, manual testing, code Java language programming, Python programming, Angular JS. In automation testing, today I am going to talk about this performance testing, and the tool which I am giving training as of now is JMeter. So what are the topics which I am going to cover in JMeter will be like introduction to JMeter, how to download, how to install the JMeter and all, like the basic configuration part, and then JMeter test plan and workbench, and then working with HTTP request, and similarly working with FTP request, and working with the SFTP request also, using CSV datasets configuration, like sometime we are configuring dataset, no, then that also will be covering, and user defined variables will be covering in this session, and JMeter preprocessors, listeners, like regular expression extractors, post processor will be covering, XPath extractors, post processors, like XPath extractor and post processor, and JMeter plugins, timers, and we are covering correlations also in this course, and JMeter controller 1, controller part 2 will be covering, like both the parts will be covering, and then variables and functions in JMeter I'm telling you, okay, and HTTPS test script recorder, and bean shell scripting, and integrating JMeter with Selenium, database testing with JMeter, and Java your kit profiler will be teaching you, and BlazeMeter also, that is a plugin basically, BlazeMeter plugin and JMeter template will be telling in this course, and along with this top interview questions we are providing, also along with this basic testing idea terminologies related to how to do testing and all will be providing in this interview preparations we are doing, we are helping students to do. So this is the course, and very good course. You will get to learn so many things, and you will be very much interested once you will begin the course. Okay, so see you there.